The A5 Sportback has been spotted, and there is speculation that it may indirectly replace the A4 sedan. Audi's CEO Markus Duesmann recently confirmed that even-numbered models will denote EVs while odd numbers will indicate vehicles with internal combustion engines, which means that the A4 sedan and wagon will be discontinued once the new generation models are revealed. The A5 Sportback and wagon have already been seen, but there have been no sightings of a sedan version, leading to rumors that the A4 sedan will be axed. There is a possibility that Audi may develop a long-wheelbase A5 sedan for the Chinese market, similar to the A7. The A5 Sportback has a new body with a wider grille and traditional single-piece headlights, and its design follows the brand's steady evolution. There are crease bulges above the wheel arches, and flush-fitting lift-up door handles are expected to improve aerodynamics. The A5 Sportback may lose its frameless windows, a distinctive feature of the four-door coupe style, which could bring it closer in style to the A5 wagon and increase parts commonality. The engine lineup for the upcoming car is not yet known, but rumors suggest that a plug-in hybrid system will be offered alongside petrol and diesel engines, and that high-performance A5 variants may continue to use V6 engines. The new A5 is expected to be based on an updated version of the MLB Evo architecture with longitudinally mounted engines and front or all-wheel drive options. The climate control functions appear to be integrated into the touchscreen display, with fewer physical buttons and switches in the center tunnel. The A5 Avant and Sportback are expected to debut later this year or next year, given that the current A4 range dates back to 2016.